So, today I want to talk about three nutrition tips that never get old. All right. Meaning, whether if you are tracking or you're not tracking, making sure that you are incorporating these three rules, right? Rules, tips, whatever, into your daily life will help you maintain that trajectory of your health goal or help maintain without going completely trash panda mode. All right. So, three tips. Number one, protein. Y'all, focus on your protein. It is essential for thousands of reactions in your body. It's also responsible for every structural component in your body, right? So, hair, skin, nails, bone tissue, gut tissue, DNA, hormones, enzymes, all of that requires protein. Okay. So, making sure that you are getting enough. It also helps you stay in a muscle building slash maintaining state, which is called anabolic. All right. And it's not easily stored as fat. It's actually too metabolically expensive for the body to turn protein into carbohydrates and into fat. Yes, your body can do that, but like I said, it's extremely metabolically expensive. So it avoids it at all costs, which makes it great for weight loss. So you want to aim for 1 gram per pound of goal body weight. That's how much protein you need if your protein or if your goal is weight loss. Okay, if you have another health and fitness goal, please let me know, message me, we can talk about it. All right, my go-to favorites are beef. All right, beef, eggs, 2% cottage cheese, the Oikos Vanilla Greek yogurt, that is delicious. Those Fairlife protein shakes are also freaking delicious. And then a level one protein powder. All of those are some of my favorites. All right, favorite protein sources. Number two, eat more plants. And y'all, fruit is a plant. All right. I don't know why, but we usually think of vegetables as plants, right? And we never think about fruit. Or that maybe just me. I don't know. Fruit are plants, all right? So eat your veggies and your fruits, right? So these are full of essential nutrients, right? Your vitamins and minerals. So we need these in order to function efficiently. Plus, this is where we get fiber, right? Fiber keeps us moving regularly, and we like to be regular. And it also adds volume to your meals without a ton of calories. Again, if that is your weight loss, or if weight loss is your goal, volume is needed. All right. So my go-to fruits and veggies right now, listen, I'm all about the berries and the melons right now because it's towards the tail end of summer. Whoo, I cannot get enough. But going to number three, whole grains and carbohydrates. Okay, listen, y'all. Carbs don't make you fat. All right. It's the overconsumption of calories that make you fat. All right. So, carbohydrates are our main fuel source for the brain. So, if we don't have enough, our body will find ways to make it, such as breaking down muscle tissue or fat. So stick with the less processed and avoid refined grains. And here's a little caveat. Fruits and veggies are also carbohydrates, right? Carbohydrates are not just pastas and breads and pastries, all right? Carbohydrates are fruits and veggies, beans, lentils. Those are carbohydrates and those are healthy. All right. It's the overly processed shit that you need to completely avoid. All right. Limit to completely avoid. All right. So, my go to breads are English muffins and homemade sourdough breads and protein waffles. I'm a sucker for protein waffles. All right. Now, here's a bonus for you: water. All right. All this week, we've been talking about water. It is vital to life. Drink more of it. Carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go. I like my straw. This is a Yeti, by the way, not a Stanley. Okay. So, carry a water bottle with you so it's easily accessible and aim to drink at least 80 to 100 ounces a day. Yeah, it sounds like a lot, but when you break it down, it really isn't. If you're awake for 14 hours a day, that's 7 ounces of water a day, or 7 ounces of water a hour. All right. So, there you go. I hope you have a wonderful day. Remember these four rules and then keep going and